Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and double-checking with a non-contact tester, safety first. Once confirmed, remove the faceplate and outlet, then mark the new outlet location. Measure from the floor so alignment is consistent. Make a pencil outline for the new box and use a stud finder to avoid cutting into framing. If cable is stapled, note its run. You will need 6 to 8 inches of slack. Now, route preparation is ready, and you can begin opening the wall. Once the outline is set, cut the drywall carefully and remove the panel to expose the cavity. You will need to free the cable where it exits the old box. Loosen any staples and fish the cable upward using fish tape or a wire coat hanger. Grab about 6 inches of extra slack into the new opening. Next, position and fasten the new box. Use a stud-mounted box or an old work box that clamps. Make sure the box sits flush with the finished wall surface for a proper fit. You will now make the electrical connections. Connect black to brass, white to silver, and bare to the ground screw. Tighten wire nuts and tuck wires neatly into the box. Fasten the outlet to the box, attach the faceplate, then restore power at the breaker and test with a receptacle tester. If the outlet fails, shut power off and recheck ground and wire nut tightness, correct polarity, and that the tab is intact for multi-wire circuits. Finally, patch drywall, sand, and paint to finish the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.